The Architectural Metal Training School for Ironworkers Local 63 is a 3-year apprenticeship program. During that 3-year program, the apprentice goes to school 260 hours a year, plus has to work on the job site, which is a major part of the training, 1,400 to 2,000 hours a year. So they're basically earning money as they're being trained. It's also for journeyman upgrade training, where the journeymen come to us 2 to 3 evenings a week to keep their skills up. With all the technology changes in the industry, they have to update basically yearly. All of our instructors are journeyman ironworkers. They've worked in the field for multiple years. They've also taken courses through the National Ironworkers Training Program to learn how to train apprentices. First-year apprentice will start at 50% of the journeyman's rate. After they complete their first year, they'll move up to 60% of journeyman's rate. After their second year, they move to 70%, and after they finish their third year, they've moved up to journeyman's rate. Journeyman's rate can be found on our website. First-year apprentice, as they start here, they go through orientation of the trade, so they get an understanding of what the different skill sets are going to be necessary to become a journeyman ironworker. Next step, they go through all our safety courses, whether it be first aid CPR, the OSHA 30-hour course, covering all the different topics from fall protection to fire hazards to the respiratory protection. We move on to the basic blueprints and basic math. One of the last things the first-year apprentice will work with is they're going to install window wall, curtain wall, entranceways, and raw glass. Second-year apprentice moves on to survey and layout. After you know how to install the material, now you have to put the control points down to put the material in straight. We have 2 overhead cranes, and they're used as if what they would use a crane for on a job site. They can start to rig the material, whether it be the structural steel, whether it be the stairs or the curtain wall. They signal the overhead crane, they hook up the rigging to the crane, and then install our material. Third-year apprentice, they start off working with the torch. And after that, we move on to welding. Once they become certified in shielded metal arc welding, we move on to flux core arc welding. After flux core arc welding, we move on to TIG welding, tungsten inert gas. It's used for stainless steel, it's used for exotic metals. After they've learned how to work the TIG welding machines, they learn how to polish the steel after they've welded it. Then the last thing our apprentices will do before they become journeyman ironworkers is we put them through a foreman's training course. Gives them a better idea of what their foreman expects of them. Many people have made this their career. They've retired with a wonderful pension plan and health insurance plan. The school is a good opportunity. The apprenticeship program is a good opportunity for anybody willing to work hard. We need people that can see what has to be done and will step in and do it.